Here's how you can make Nightmare Bonnie in Gacha Online. I don't know why Nightmare Bonnie is a fan favorite most, but I guess you could say they're all my favorite. So yeah, all of the FNAF characters are my favorite. So anyway, okay, so here we go. Head AC 3373. I couldn't find the real Nightmare Bonnie head. This is the shirt. And this is just wiring. Wires. I couldn't find the real wires because I wish they really did add some. I mean, there's possibly no way I can actually find a real wire. Okay, this might take a while. Hold on. Hold on. Come on. Found it. Okay. 1336. 1363. 363. It's right here. $73 for sleeves. Gloves. No, drop. 1100 and 109. Pants 1. Shoes 4122. Scarf 7. Like how? That still doesn't mean that I can't nearly have that much, but I can't. His eyes are just like Springtrap, and the fact I expected that to be better, but no, it's just the same as Springtrap. Since that's the most. So yeah, I guess that's it. Just okay. So here, pause and copy it. I tried my best to make the wired. I meant to say Nightmare Bonnie. Here's the outline for it. Pause and copy it. You are finished.